Good morning. It's a winter's morning here in Ohio, and I wanted to show you what I do when I get ready to start a fire here out in the brick oven. I have a fire started down below, which feels really nice right now. It's probably in the 20s. And I'm going to show you how I begin my fire because I don't often show that in the videos, and this is what I do when I first come out. I start the fire about 2 hours before I'm ready to cook in the brick oven. And about 45 minutes to get it up to the air temperature. Let's say we're going to cook at 450 degrees today, and then it's going to take about another hour to get the bricks inside the brick oven nice and hot and maintaining that temperature. One thing I didn't talk about is my little damper. I keep that open during the entire time that I'm cooking from the beginning to the end, and this is just going to allow me to have more air movement inside the brick oven. So let's go ahead and get started with the fire. And here's the way I like to start my fire. I use what they call a lodge technique, my own little version of it. It's like building a little cabin. I have my floor, my first 3 pieces down below, and then my walls, the 2 side pieces, and then I have a little bit of kindling for my top of the roof, and then the roof covering with a couple more pieces of wood. I only use pine wood for the kindling, just a few pieces. Everything else is always going to be hardwood that's been seasoned for about a year. That's going to help draw all that moisture out of the wood, and that's going to give you a nice even heat with a lot less smoke. If you enjoy our videos and like the brick oven lifestyle, please feel free to subscribe so we can send you new videos and updates.